This video was driven by a question from a Huntron user, and the situation was this. In the Huntron Workstation software, they were using their Huntron prober, and they created a test in the software. Well, they ran their test on a good card and set their references, only to discover later on that one of the pins on one of the components was actually showing open signatures. So I've set up a similar situation here in my software. I have U20. And you can see here in the troublesheet, when I scanned on a different card, it shows signatures on pin number, let's zoom in on that, pin number 8. It shows an open signature for the reference, but in reality, we're seeing signatures on that pin. So in this case, probably what would have happened is that we did not get good contact with the probe on that particular pin, and of course it captured opens. So how do we go about fixing that? So one thing we could do is just rescan U20 in this case, and set a new reference. But there actually is a quicker and easier way to fix this problem. So what we'll do is we'll note the pin number, and it was pin number 8, and it's U20. So we'll select that particular component in the tree, U20. There we go. And then we'll go to the Signatures tab. And what you can see here is all the scans that have been done for that particular component listed here in the scan list. And what you would do is select a reference that's marked by the little asterisk next to the serial number. So we've selected that. So what we'll do is we'll scroll down to pin number 8. There it is right there. And you can see the open pins there. And what you can do, just like in the troublesheet, is right-click on any one of these two signatures and you'll get a menu. In this case, we want to go ahead and select Reprobe Pin Signatures. So make sure you have the reference selected in the scan list on the left, and then select Reprobe Pin Signatures. And you'll see my prober go over and test that pin again, and it'll give us new signatures. Now you can see in blue that we have actually the correct signatures. So the message is popping up asking if you want to take these signatures and replace the old ones. We'll say yes to that. So now you can see pin number 8 has those new signatures. So now what you can do is go back to your troublesheet, and we have these incorrect references here, and just click the Update button. And of course the troublesheet will be resorted and recompared, and you see now that that component is no longer on your troublesheet. So that's just a quick way to go and fix a reference that was incorrect. Feel free to go and check out all the other videos on the Huntron YouTube channel, or visit the Huntron website at huntron.com. As always, thank you for watching.